Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Again, another one of our LS engines. All these engines are fantastic. This happens to be a 427, made over 600 foot-pounds of torque and over 600 horsepower. Again, anything you're interested in, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Hey, James, I got your 1950 Chevy Truck here on the dyno. Actually, the engine. And it's an LS 427. It runs fabulous, it looks gorgeous, and you're gonna love it. Let's check it out. I'm gonna go up on our high RPM for a second or two. It should settle right down. Okay, beautiful oil pressure. AFR is good. Let's go for it. Oh wow, that's nice, man. Music to my ears. Fabulous.